It's gonna make a mess right now. Okay, so you get a marker, you get a flashlight, and a rag over here, rag. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna mark. What I do is I'll do like a number 1 right there, and then you count the teeth on here, so that'll be number 1, and then obviously 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep my finger on there, and I'll put another mark, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that's why you get a rag, so you can wipe off your tooth that you need to mark it. And put a 2 there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 is this one. So there's a 3, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Put a little 4 on there, and the reason I do like the numbers is just because it say that you forgot. Like if you like look away and you're like, oh shoot, I don't know what number I'm at, you can literally just go back to there. You know that's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So then I'll take my number, I need to try it on here so I don't forget. So there's 47 teeth on the ring. And then if you look inside of there, so see down in there, there's like more gears back there.
Yeah.
What you want to do is same thing, is you're gonna dry off one of these teeth, and you're gonna mark that. And I'll get like a ruler in there, and then I'll count the teeth and spin it at the same time. So I'm just cleaning that off so I can mark in there. So that'll be the first one. I've got a ruler. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then you're gonna take your second number, which is 12, off the pinion. So you have 47 and 12, and then you're gonna grab your phone and you're going to do the ring gear divided by the pinion number. So you do 47 divided by 12, and it comes out to that. So it's a 3.916. So then I'll take a little rag right here for if the diff is ever gonna come out or not, or if somebody else services it or whatever, you just put 3.916. We had already known that it was this diff because of what car it came out of. That's why it says unicorn on there, because these are rare. And whenever I do like diff changes and stuff, I always like to just do that. I mean, it takes 2 minutes and you're guaranteed to know what ratio is in your diff. And a lot of people know how to do that, but a lot of people don't check it. But it's a good thing to know.